Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Fluent Forge. I'm Tom, and today I want to take you on a quiet, thoughtful journey. A journey towards someone very important, your future self. Your future self is not a stranger. It is you, just living in a different time. It is you with more experiences, more memories, more wisdom. It is you with better habits, better choices, and hopefully better English. But here is the beautiful part. You get to design that future self. Every small action you take today becomes a gift for the person you will be tomorrow. In this episode, we will explore how to build a stronger relationship with your future self, how to respect their needs, and how English learning becomes a bridge between who you are now and who you want to become. A simple idea with big power. The author Hal Hershfield says something profound. People often treat their future selves like strangers. We save less, we study less, we plan less. Because future consequences feel far away. We say things like, I will study tomorrow. I will fix my mistakes next week. I'll improve my English later. But when later finally arrives, we realize something painful. We are the ones who must pay the price for our past decisions. The version of us who wakes up tomorrow will either thank us or suffer because of us. So today, let's decide to be kinder to that future self. Imagine your future self for a moment. Close your eyes for a second and imagine yourself 1 year from now. Where are you living? What does your day look like? How do you speak English? How confident are you? How easily do words come to your mind? Now imagine your English in 5 years. What if you understood podcasts without subtitles? What if you spoke fluently with anyone you meet? What if people admired your discipline? That future version of you is not impossible. It is completely real. They already exist in potential. Waiting, hoping, depending on your decisions today. Comfort now versus strength later. One of the biggest lessons from the book is this. We often choose comfort now even when it hurts our future. Comfort says, don't study today. Don't practice. Stay in your comfort zone. Avoid mistakes. English is too hard. But your future self whispers, please don't quit. Give me a better life. I want to be confident. I want opportunities. Help me grow. When you skip studying today, your present self feels relaxed. But your future self becomes weaker. When you practice even for 10 minutes, your present self feels a little discomfort. But your future self becomes stronger, smarter, braver. This is the real battle. Comfort versus growth. Now versus later. Easy versus meaningful. A warm-up with simple English. At the beginning of your learning journey, you need safety. You need simple, friendly English. The type that tells your brain, you understand this. You are doing great. Let's keep going. This is why we start slowly. Short sentences. Familiar words. Gentle rhythm. Your brain warms up like a muscle. It becomes ready for more. And then step by step, sentence by sentence, we stretch your English, little by little. Never too much, never too fast. This is comprehensible input. It is the secret to natural fluency. It keeps you inside a zone where you understand enough to feel safe, but also learn enough to grow. Your future self is counting on you. Think of your future self like a close friend. Someone who trusts you. Someone who believes in you. Imagine if that friend said to you, I want to speak English easily. I want a better job. I want confidence. I want to travel. I want to express myself. Please help me. Would you ignore them? Of course not. So why do we ignore our future selves? Because they cannot speak loudly. They whisper, and comfort screams. But if you listen carefully, your future self is always calling your name. Small choices create big changes. Many people think improving English requires huge effort. But the truth is, your future self grows through small daily actions. 5 minutes of listening. 10 minutes of reading. Writing a few sentences. Learning one new word. Watching a simple English story. Repeating a short paragraph. The magic is in consistency. Your brain loves routine. It grows quietly, invisibly, naturally. You don't notice the progress today, but your future self notices everything. Every small choice today becomes a strong muscle tomorrow. A conversation with your future self. Let's imagine a short conversation between you and your future self. Future you. Thank you for studying today. Present you. It was only 15 minutes. Future you. Yes, but those 15 minutes changed everything. Present you. Was it really that important? Future you. You have no idea. Each small session made me confident. Each simple story improved my listening. Each practice made my English natural. Present you. So I helped you? Future you. You saved me. This is the power of long-term thinking. You are building the future one step at a time. Every day you learn English. You are not just learning grammar or vocabulary. You are building discipline, patience, confidence, identity, opportunity, freedom. You are building a version of yourself who can communicate with the world. Someone who can think in 2 languages. Someone who can dream bigger. This is why English learning is not just a skill. It is a gift to your future self. A promise to your future self. Before this episode ends, I want you to make one small promise to the person you will become. Say this in your mind. I will not abandon you. I will study a little today. I will help you grow. I will give you a better life. I will take care of you. This promise, if you keep it, will change the path of your life. Because your future self is not far away. They are already waiting, smiling, hopeful, thankful. And one day when you speak English fluently, when you feel confident, when you live the life you want, you will look back and say, I'm glad I didn't give up.